Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix a crackle noise from the back of the Chevy Cruze. So you heard it right there, and we're gonna hear it again when I go down the alley. It happens over small bumps and also sometimes when you turn or you lift the car. It's kind of annoying, but you're gonna hear it again right over here. So this is a common issue, and thankfully there is a TSB for it, and it shows you step by step how to fix it, and it's pretty straightforward. It's just a little bit tedious. Um, Honestly, it's not that much. If you have the right tools and you have space, um, you should be good. So I'm just gonna go back to the garage, and I'll show you how, or sorry, I'll show you where the noise is actually coming from. It's coming from this torsion beam, rear torsion beam. I think it flexes when you go over bumps, and that's where the crackle noise comes from. And basically the TSB tells you that you need to lubricate the inside of that torsion beam. And a quick pro tip here, you should put your vehicle in neutral first before going to park. Make sure, of course, you come to a complete stop so you don't put stress on the park pole. Never leave your car and park and just lift the brake pedal off. So, yeah. And personally, the best product to use is Coil. It's a good lubricant, but for this video, I'm going to be using two products. I'm going to be using PB Blaster, and I'll be also using fluid film. It's really good lubricant as well. It's mainly to stop rust. It's good to use this every winter to protect your car from rusting up. So yeah, these two is what I'm going to be using. And this is the TSB. Again, I'm going to leave a link to it down below. So basically they want you to use WD-40, and you're going to put a hole on that torsion beam, and they want you to use rivets to close these holes. I'm personally not going to do that. Just in case the lubrication dries up, I don't want to use a drill and drill the rivets out and do the whole thing again. I went to the parts store and got me rubber grommets. I picked up these. They were like $8, I guess. So that's better than the rivets in my opinion. Okay, so to recap for the tools, I got fluid film, the PB Blaster, these rubber grommets, and also they want you to use 1/8 drill bit, and you need the drill as well. It's better to use a hole punch, but I got a chisel and a hammer. And after you make the hole, you're just gonna spray as much as you can. The PB Blaster tube didn't fit all the way, and that's why I used the fluid film, because it has a skinnier tube. If you can makeshift a tube that fits the PB Blaster nozzle and if it goes all the way in, that would be great, but this worked for me. It's not a big deal. Do the same the other side. And it's better to let this soak overnight so it absorbs better. I honestly was in a pinch and I didn't let it absorb, but yeah, as you can see here, it fits really well. The tube that comes with the fluid film, so I just went deep in there and just sprayed the hell out of it. The more the better. I mean, it's not going to hurt it, of course. But yeah, make sure you lubricate it well because we don't want to do this again. And also for the rubber that I got, it was actually bigger. It didn't fit well, that 1/8 hole. I didn't want to go bigger on the hull because I don't want to compromise the strength of the torsion beam. You know, it's probably not significant, but if the engineer said that, then I'm not gonna, you know, do something out of my head and mess it up. So what I did is I started heating up a screwdriver and making the diameter smaller and smaller.
It will be faster if you have the soldering gun and you just go at it and stop whenever you feel it's right.
So yeah, that's basically it. Put everything back together, torque down the wheels, and the noise was gone, didn't come back, and yeah, that's it.